What's going on, everybody? So me and Dion, we're heading down to Spring Nationals. Say what's up, Dion.
What's up?
All right, so we're going down to Spring Nationals. We just want to check out some races, and we're also going to be putting the Eclipse in the car show. I'm not looking to get any trophies or anything. I just want to put the car in the show so it can get a little bit of clout, a little bit of recognition and everything, so I can see, hopefully I see some fans down there or some new subscribers. So perfect. Thank you, man.
Nazario, cualificando número 8 con 9.56. Se va solo Andrés Scott.
Yeah, I know. That's a nice one right there. Yeah, that does.
Con problema, la mano que dice por ahí 9295 cómodamente, carril que lo inteligentemente se pega a la valla.
Alright, everybody, so we made it down to the car show, to the Spring Nationals. My partner Dion helped me clean up everything. The car's looking good. We're gonna walk around the car show a little bit. We're gonna take a look around the car show and see how everything is. There's a lot of nice cars out here. There's a lot of race cars out here. It's really nice. So I just want to turn you guys around and show you what this car looks like.
Cuidando la máquina.
Now Dion did most of the work. Dion cleaned up the car.
1.13 los 60 pies y 4.47. 4.4 es de 6 segundos. Vaya donde vaya, gente.
And there's a lot of cars going on here.
Sub-Zero entrando por el carril derecho, se enfrenta, va a ser otro
We're gonna go check out some races, then we're gonna go to the
Katana Motorsport en la
walk
casa,
around the
viene
car show,
desde
see how
Reading,
everything is.
Pennsylvania.
D?
Cerquita, oye,
All right,
donde
let's
son los
go.
muchachos del team.
Just like that, don't fall. T-Rex, yeah. You a T-Rex? Huh? Yeah, no, that's nice, right?
Not the belly band, take a man, working back, party back, no how I give it up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then 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 it's up. I can make the party hot, I can make your body hot. And it's good to make you hot. Looking like a light, shitty picking Japanese, they don't with karate chop.
So we're waiting for the only DSM that I've seen down here in the racetrack. There's one in the pits right now. Well, actually there's one in the staging lane right now. This is the 1050 class, and I'm waiting to see what he runs because he had the whole roll cage and slick thing. If you're in this class, you're definitely running 1050 or better. But yeah, this is the 1050 class, and we're still waiting on this Evo to run. Just waiting on him to get going so we can get his run for you guys. But we're having a blast out here. This makes me want to get the Talon ready. Makes us want to bring the Talon to the track too, right, D? Yeah, so it's a nice day. Turned out to be around 70 degrees. The food was good. People were nice. Good turnout. So I'm enjoying myself. I haven't been to ACO in almost 15 years. It's going on 15 years, maybe a little bit more. So I'm having a good time. So. T-Rex.
Aquí seguimos, señoras y señores. Continuación.
Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
He was one of his pieces, and then he won. The T-Rex won. No,
T-Rex?
right?
No, that's the Evo, man. T-Rex, that's the bike over there. What are you talking about? T-Rex. T-Rex. So the Evo lost on a hole shot. there. Hot. Brick pizza. Oh yeah, they cooking that pizza. That's some good pizza there. Let's go through the race. We gotta... Yeah, that's
Viene ahora mismo, gente. Póngase en red.
that shit's nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Parejita la carrera.
Wow, look at all those cars, man.
Wow, 9:50.
Nice, man. Right?
That's some like.
Yeah, those are nice.
Baby Yoda!
Oh, look at that one. Wow, that's nice.
I think I will get these when I'm grown up. I think I will get these when I'm a grown up.
Cool.
And I will go here.
Yeah, look at that one.
Oh, Daddy!
Oh, I'll get that.
That's nice. See, like this one
I know.
and the blue and red.
I know.
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, you see the helmet? Oh, you missed that one back there. See that one with the big tires? You gotta tell me, man. Come on. Dion wants one of these. Hey, puppies. How you doing? He's friendly. Oh, he is? Yeah, we have dogs. I love dogs. Nice setup, right?
He's a race car. He's a race car. Oh, okay.
Thank you. When I tell you they got everything down here, they have everything down here. You having fun, D?
Yeah.
You even got to sit on one of the race bikes? It's crazy. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, he's doing a wheelie with the bike.
Uh-huh.
That's cool. He's doing a wheelie with the bike.
Anybody that knows me, they know my roots. My roots are CRXs, Hondas. This is what I need in my life. I think this is gonna be one of my next project cars right here. K-series and all. Look at that. Tough. I honestly think I need to do a K-series all-wheel drive Civic. Not Civic. All-wheel drive CRX. This thing is badass.
The black one and the blue one.
Just straight track beast. That's what I need to do. I think we're gonna do that, Dion. What do you think? You think Daddy should get another CRX?
Yeah.
You didn't even know me when I had a CRX, bro. You weren't even born. Oh, look at this.
You tell me. You tell me that.
I told you about that?
Yeah. Remember you have a picture of it?
Uh-huh.
You have a picture of a blue one.
Well, let's go see this. Or do you think we need a GTR instead of a CRX?
You're the K-shirt daddy.
Oh no, you're fine. No, you're fine, man. Paying attention, Dion. Don't step on the foot. Oh, you want to get in, Dion? You can no. You want to get in? Yeah, let me hold your drink.
Okay.
Go ahead, man. Be careful. You gotta be careful. Watch your head, okay? Not that way, right? That way? Yeah, go ahead, D. Gonna be a race car driver by the end of the day, huh? Look at you, man. Oh, just made his day, man.
That's good, man. That's what it's all about. Let me
Thank
close
you.
the door.
Uh-oh.
Get the whole experience.
Uh-oh.
Grab it. Grab that.
Uh-oh. You ready to go?
Ready?
Thanks a lot, man. He's gonna talk about this for weeks.
That's what it's all about. You ready? You ready? There you go. That's what it's all about. Fun, right?
Careful, D.
There you go.
Watch your head.
You're like a pro.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
a pro.
I appreciate it, bro. Thanks a lot, man.
Anytime, man.
Good luck
That's
out
what
there.
it's all about for them.
Oh, yeah. See that?
Yeah,
Everybody's
he let
nice,
me in,
right?
He let me in there too.
Uh-huh. Nice. Come on, let's go this way.
Remember that other guy let me on his bike?
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh, yeah. We're gonna go around there.
That's the hot rod one.
But there's a Starlet right here. That's nice. Oh, look at that one back there. Oh, yeah. It's nice, right?
Yeah.
We gotta hurry up and get back to the racing. Man, that's nice. That's nice. You see how big the tires are? So big that they had to make the thing in the window. See that? The big tires, right?
This thing is big in the back.
Uh-huh. I don't know.
Nice.
Keep your drink together. I know, right?
Yeah. My friend had color red and blue.
Yeah. Watch out, don't.
Viene categoría 750
Hey, what's
Index.
going on, man?
Index
Good to
Super
yourself?
16, bájalo.
You too.
750 Index. Ganadores, bájalo. 750.
Ooh.
Attention to pitch, attention to pitch. 750 Index. Come on, let's go. Let's go, guys. Round winners to the back of the lanes. Round winners to the back of the lanes. 750 Index. Week 16, round winners to the back of the lanes. Grade 8 to the back of the lanes.
Remember him at the RX-7 show, D?
I think it's the time.
Yeah, but we're gonna go through the car show really quick.
If you happy, then be with him. Go ahead, mommy, breathe again. Go ahead, mommy, breathe again. Don't stop now, straight to the top now. Go ahead, mommy, make it hot now. I need me a love that's gonna make my heart stop now. And what I need is simple. 5'5" with dimples, potential, wife credentials. Know about the life I'm into, life I've been through, and how I had a trifling mental. So ride with me, G4, fly with me. Times get hard to cry with me, die with me. White beat saints lie with me. My advice is forget the limelight. Let's make love while we listen to Frank White. So tight, now I understand life. I saw you walking down the Melrose. You look like an angel straight out of heaven, girl. I was blown away by your sexiness. Now all I have to do is catch up to you. Slow down. I just wanna get to know you, but don't turn around, 'cause that pretty round thing looks good to me. Slow down, never seen anything so come take a walk with me. You'll be impressed by the game that I give you. It's so thorough and real.
Yeah, you got the same rims. So I'm not the only one that likes these rims, apparently, right? Daddy got the same rims on the car over there. Come on, Dave.
Remember rapping Duke, the hard, you never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? East to Raw G, Brucey B, kicking free. Funk Master Flex, love bug, star skid. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a trip, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, you know, you know.
Atención en el área, atención en el área. Acura negro, tablilla de Pensilvania, LWG 7831. Favor de moverlo, mi gente. Acura negro, tablilla de Pensilvania, LWG 7831. Favor de moverlo.
This looks good, D. Dion, the bottle. Please don't hit nothing with the bottle. How are you, sir? How are you? Good. That's yours? Nice. Very nice, man. Oh, look at the Samurai, D. Oh, that is nice. Thank you. Yeah, you good. It's badass.
All right, 750 index. We'll take you suited and in your cars. You're coming out next for second round of elimination. 750 index drivers in your cars. And again, quick 16 and grade 8 to the lanes. Quick 16 winners and grade 8 to the lanes for your second round of eliminations. ATV and bracket sportsman winners, get ready. ATV and bracket sportsman winners, just get ready. We will call you to the lane shortly for your third round. 750 index suited and in your cars. And again, quick 16 and grade 8 winners to the lanes for second round. ATV shootout and bracket sportsman.
Oye, recuerda pasar, gente. Ya tú sabes. Por los vendors que están presentes, Steven R Production de Southpaw, que tiene sus camisas para la venta. South Bay Fuel Injector tiene su producto. 45 NYC, Castillo Supply, Campos Toys, BP Fuel Merch, Fuel Tech, ayer Electronic, ayer Performance. Sí, que pasa por las carpas de ellos para que vean sus productos, camisas, de todo, accesorios. Y pendiente la próxima fecha y por Revival, gente, a lo que va a ser el Team USA. Vamos arriba, damita entrando a los carriles, Girl Power, así que la fémina, motiva.
gonna be right, and they keep dripping from my signature. I feel like nobody inspired my intentions. You left the squad hanging, it's only time with us. You know I vibe different, cause you know my mind. My eyes say in my room, my body saying heaven on love. Tell me what you want, I go be. Tell me what you need, I go be.
Oh, look at that. That's his favorite character, too. Thanks a lot, bro. Look at his shirt. Look at his shirt, Dion. Cool, man. Thanks a lot, man. See that? Getting everything cool, huh? Yeah.
I like Tails because he's cute. Tails is cute.
What's that? Nice, right? Watch the bottle. That's nice. Excuse me. Thank you.
Oh, there's limited coins.
Hey, you got the Racing Bee exhaust too. Damn. We're doing a YouTube video.
Everyone, please come to the DJ section next to Custom Toys. We're about to give out trophies in about 15 minutes.
Venom, Pennywise,
Dion, watch out.
check the skeleton and let that.
I know. That's ill, man.
Oh, this is the one we have.
Yeah, you already have that one.
The pink, the armor,
Daddy's looking too.
that's only here.
Let me know if you see any RX-7s, Dion.
Okay.
Wait over here.
Here.
Huh? Oh, there's a black one.
Huh? The blue one we have.
Yeah.
We're not getting the big ones. The newest metric, right, Daddy? The big ones.
You did a good job today, so you get whatever you want. But you just gotta let me know which one you want first, okay? And don't take it off until we point it and let the guy know.
Let's see.
How you doing today, sir? Good.
Let's see. What is that car, Daddy?
That's looks like a McLaren.
Seguimos activos, oye. Hay boricua en los bleachers, hay boricua en los bleachers. Suba la mano si hay boricua.
I already had that one.
You wanna check these out? Check these out over here too.
Y a radio. Oye, usted sabe la raza de nosotros y yo quiero ver.
Remember, no touching, right? You have that one at home.
Oye, gente, tenemos que cansarnos jóvenes, que ya mismo vuelve el evento.
We have a Jurassic Park one.
Y usted va a ver
Huh?
nominados
We have a Jurassic Park.
Oh, yeah, nice.
para ver este magno evento, así que
Yeah,
esto va a ser tremendo junte. Los boricuas radicados en USA con todos los boricuas que están ya, tú sabes, Caitica,
How about you look over here? Look over here.
recuérdenlo bien.
Some nice RX-7s
Así
too.
que seguimos activos como anda el coqueto locutor.
I'm gonna see what
Volvemos la semana que viene y seguimos por ahí activos.
little Jurassic Park.
Encantado con este
Those
evento.
race
Y
Oh, that's from Fast and Furious. Remember that
Yeah.
movie?
Yeah, you remember the new one?
Narración con mi manita
You know what? I'm gonna take one of these cars.
Which ones?
One of these big cars.
Which one?
I don't know. I'm gonna choose.
Oh.
Maybe I'm gonna choose
Wait, don't touch. Don't touch.
this car. cars.
Huh? Oh, those are all the Fast and the Furious.
Oh, that's the one you have.
Yeah, but they have all the Fast and the Furious cars. Which one?
I'm gonna choose that one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. How many dollars is that?
That's $35.
$35. $35.
Hold it. You gotta tell the guys. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, he wants this one. The red one? Yeah. You want that one? No, yeah, he wants that one.
Which one do you want?
No, you get the one.
No, you said look out for RX-7 so you can get one.
You gotta give the nice guy the money. There you go. There you go, buddies. Give me change. Good job today in the car show, Dion.
Thank you, Daddy.
Perfect. Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome. Say thank you, Dion.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. All right. Oh, wait, hold on, Dion. Hold on. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah.
Nice RX-7.
No, that's an Eclipse in the RX-7 too.
That's a nice RX-7.
Yeah, I know.
See, these are, I think these GTR and RX-7, that one.
Yeah.
These kind of look like the same cars because they kind of look like a suspension car. If they were real cars, they kind of look like a suspension.
All right, you satisfied, brother?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Yay!
We're racing.
Oh, look at that thing.
To these staging lanes for round 2 of Quick 16. We need bracket sportsman winners in lanes 9 and 10 for your third round of eliminations. Bracket sportsman winners.
So we're gonna
lanes
head up
9
by the
and 10
stage to
for
see if
third
we got a
round
trophy. I'm not
eliminations.
expecting
ATV
anything.
winners,
I'm not
lane 2
expecting
for your
anything.
third round of
But we are gonna be
eliminations.
going up to see if we get some.
1150 index and 1050
if we won
index
anything,
winners,
right, D?
get ready.
All right.
Again, everyone, please come closer to the custom toy booth. We're about to give away trophies.
Straight. You gotta hold it.
Again, please, everyone come to the custom toy booth.
How we doing today? That's what's up. First of all, I want to thank everybody for coming out here to Spring Nationals. Welcome. Everybody had good looking cars today. Beautiful crowd. All right. Dion Convertible.
Dion. There you go, D. Good job, buddy. Good job. First
Give it up one more
trophy.
time.
Good job, D. First trophy, man. Good job. All right, everyone. So we're gonna head home because Dion has to go to school in the morning and he has a baseball game. But Dion won his trophy for the car.
Yes.
So we got our first trophy for a meaningful garage. Had a good time. Everybody was super nice down here, and Dion worked really hard on cleaning his car up, right?
Yes.
See, that happens when you work really hard and you clean your car up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna head on back home, and I'll see you next time. And always love and peace.